Hello. Just had a few questions lately about the signing into Chrome and signing into the Google account. So I will try to make it as quick as possible to make it short so that you can get the big picture and also like to make you can make your own decision. So here's are the benefits of signing into Chrome. If you go in here and you sign from the middle, and you go and sign into your account and all of that, what are the benefits of this is just that if you use Chrome at home or any other smart device, you can actually have all your settings and also all your bookmarks follow you everywhere you go. So therefore, that's pretty cool to have. It's really easy. The downside of that is just that in some part is all your bookmarks, all your settings, whatever you go into a public place or a desktop that you're going to use at school, all of those settings comes and store into the actual machine. So it's that what happens with that, I'll tell you in a personal experience. We were two teachers using the same desktop, and then we were using this at first when it started, when we had Chrome. I think it was last year or 2 years ago. And I sign in that way, and also the other teachers sign in that way. And then what happens is that all of our bookmarks, the two of us, merge together. Okay, and then there's a multiple user account and all this. Well, I tried that also. We did try that. This is the what I say to you. Like I'll show that. I'll give you all those links later on. Manage multiple users there on Chrome. But the thing is just that what we found out is if you have a website somewhere and you say like automatically sign me in. Well, in this case, it stores into the desktop, and then what happens is that if I go or the other teacher goes to the same website as what I had the automatic sign in, they will have my name and they will be able to sign in as me. Okay, so that's the not so benefit of this. In other places, I'll show you like multiple users. I'm trying to go back to just have that famous over here says okay, sign into Chrome. So this is the support also of sign into Google. But here's a little thing, and I showed that to also Google Drive, like I did that into my session, and I think every teacher said that. It's just that if you go into Google, it's really nice, but I will tell you, I much prefer to have the cloud because this is stored into a different place. When you go and you say sync onto a desktop, it brings all your data in. So again, like in Google Drive, I don't download Google Drive onto any public machine. It's I don't even have it at home. Okay, I just use the cloud. This quiz over here, just to show you again, this is from Google. It says over here, and I'll read it because it's important that you see that. Remember, do not set up Chrome with your Google account on a public or untrusted computer. When you set up Chrome with your Google account, a copy of your data is stored on the computer you are using and can be accessed by other users on the same computer. So to remove your data, you just click onto here, and it says like it's not delete. It's going to show you how to manage multiple users, and then again there's another little red flag over here. Don't panic. Do not panic. You can actually delete this. This is what we've done, me the other teacher. We went into the actual settings and we cleared the data, browsing data, and all of this. It shows to you over here. How do you get this? Those three bars. Go in here, and you're probably going to see your name. Sign in. If not, that means you're okay. But if you still sign in, it will show, and you can actually just click onto this, and I don't know if it's going to do it right now, but let's see. No, it brings me back to this. It brings you to the settings of your Chrome, and then at the top you'll see disconnect this account from Chrome. So you click onto this and it will disconnect you. Mind you, that if you are using the Red Deer Public School account, if they are doing an update or if they are pushing some new features of Google Chrome, only Google Chrome, they have to go into the admin part and just click on the checkbox to say that anyone who's logged in cannot log out. Okay, because it's just some big issues or whatever. The main thing is just that you will not see disconnect. You'll see disconnect, but it'll be grayed out. You cannot click on it. So in this case, what you'll have to do is that you'll have to wait until everything is updated. Google Chrome has been updated from the central office, and after that, when they're going to uncheck mark this kind of thing, that's what I've seen with my training, then you'll be able to disconnect. So in the meantime, mind you, that it could be different. What I'm talking to you about is just that was into my personal Gmail account, and then under the Red Deer Public, because you are using GAF that we call Google Apps for Education. Okay, in this case, it could be different. Okay, it doesn't fall, it doesn't merge together. It could be a better setup, I don't know, but I just wanted to clarify this. So what I do, I never sign in here. Never. I did that before, learned my lesson in my case, and then the other teachers also in this case. And then we just go in here and we just say go sign into the actual sidebar over here into the blue. In this case, you're signing not into Chrome, not into the browser. You're signing to the Google account. I know they could have done a better job at naming stuff so that it doesn't look like all the same, but it's just that you have to remember Google browser is search the internet and browse the internet. Google account is the production of all your Google Drive and all of this. So now maybe another question will come up. Well, I really like the feature of having all my bookmarks wherever I go. Well, here's the way that I did it. The way that I found a solution. You have all of those internet website, Delicious, I think, and all this you can use. For me, I use Google Drive. I create a spreadsheet. I put all the bookmarks that I need to, let's say from home, and I need to have that at school. I put a spreadsheet for bookmarks for personal use, and also I get another page where it says like bookmarks for school, and you can do that. So it's up to you. You can do it whatever you want. So hopefully that's clarified that what is the difference between signing over here and what is the difference between signing over here. So you make the choice. For me personally, I know this is personal. I never sign in over here, okay? And I never sync my Google Drive onto any machine. I use the cloud. If the cloud goes off and then the internet comes off, hey, so be it. I'll pay the price. But anyways, this is my little 2 cents on the difference of this. So hopefully it clarifies some of the questions I've been asking. Well, not been asking, but I've been some people who were asking about this. Okay.